Graphic safety posters don't scare workers anymore. They train them to ignore danger. For years, safety training relied on shock value, blood, injuries, worst-case scenarios. But neuroscience tells us something uncomfortable. Fear doesn't build habits. It builds avoidance. When the brain sees extreme threats, it activates the amygdala, the survival center. Instead of improving learning, it protects itself. It shuts down higher thinking. It creates emotional distance. It triggers avoidance behavior. So when workers walk past warning signs, it's not laziness. It's biology. On a real job site, the brain prioritizes efficiency, deadlines, pressure, task completion. If a worker repeats a risky task without incident, the brain encodes it as safe. This creates neurological overconfidence. Now your safety message competes against productivity. And productivity usually wins. Fear-based safety creates three problems. First, desensitization. Second, it won't happen to me bias. Third, silence caused by shame. The result? Compliance theater, not real culture. So what works? Proactive mastery. Elite performers don't work safely because they are scared. They work safely because they are skilled. When safety is framed as professional competence, the prefrontal cortex engages. Instead of reacting to danger, workers plan and execute with precision. Safety becomes performance, not punishment. Design training that links safe actions to immediate positive feedback. Replace "look what happens if you fail" with "this is how professionals operate." Encourage short cognitive pauses before tasks. Reinforce reporting without shame. Make safety a mark of elite execution. The era of scare tactics is over. The future of safety culture is human-centered design, biology-aligned leadership, mastery-driven systems. A message from Thinker. Always take 5 to think safe.